This is Scorpion, and Scorpion is a paper cutting tool. It is a Svengali cutting plate for you to cut through paper efficiently, precisely, and conveniently. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is my take on a DIY tool. You could get it right there. There's a download link, and it's free. Okay, so this is what I use. I'm going to share with you. This is how you use it. You put a piece of paper or card through this, and it is locked like this. So with a blade or a cutter, you run this edge along this edge, and you're going to run it lightly twice, and you will pull this out and you get it. Okay, there's a break-in process before you use this. You need to break into this because there are parts that are so close that they stick together here. So the first time you use it, you print it out and you find that you can't really put a paper through it, and it's absolutely normal because you need to break into it. So with the blade, you insert it here and you run it a couple of times like this. Okay, so the first time it is not going to separate. The second time, third time, fourth, they are still going to stick. But doing that first step, you do the second step with a screwdriver. You put it here and you twist it like this. Twist it, so you will hear a snap sound, which is normal. Don't break it. Be very careful with it, otherwise you're going to print it again. And then you will hear some more snap sounds, and then eventually you will be able to poke it through and run it along the whole edge like this. Then test it with a piece of paper like that, and you could start doing it. Another step you need to do is actually there's a track here. You want to run a blade along the track a few times to make sure it is clean and it is smooth. So if you have questions about this pad, feel free to ask, feel free to talk about it. We will you will see me next time, and feel free to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.